in here sweeping the parking lot pretty near the middle of May, and it's snowing out. Huh. Oh, I should go around back and check and see if I need to do any hand sweeping before he gets around there. May 9th, it has turned all to snow now instead of rain. Just, you know, sweeping parking lots in the snowstorm. You know, instead of plowing it, we'll just sweep it up, no big deal. Everybody does that, right? The sweeper we rented from United Rentals is a piece of crap. It's one of them sweepers that's got the dustpan right behind it. And it doesn't seem to go in the dustpan very well. We have a sweeper that just sweeps it in front of you and you just keep going with it and you windrow it. But the seals went out of the pump, so we had to rent this thing. And I don't think I'd buy one. Not much of a rig. I mean, it's cool looking and stuff, but it don't seem to work like the other sweeper does. Oh well, it should get the job done. Anything's better than what it looked like. The parking lot was completely full of sand, so. That's another problem. The friggin' sand's so wet. Once it goes in the dustpan, it's packing in there, and you gotta shake the living crap out of it to get it to come out. Skidsteer sweeping, and this is a pretty crappy design broom, because the only way we can make it work really good is back up. So the dirt, because if you see, you turn the sweeper on, the broom swings towards you, so it goes in the dustpan. But if you're driving forward, it doesn't fling it in the dustpan good enough. So it cleans like crap. So the only way to get it to clean really nice, which it does clean really nice, when you back up. But who wants to back up and look backwards the whole time? Pretty crappy design if you ask me. But, yeah. Luckily we're pretty near done anyways. Get our broom fixed next year. We don't have to use this frickin' thing again. I feel like it would be much better designed if the dustpan was on the front and the broom was sweeping frontwards, and then you had some way to dump it out easily, like it was a hydraulic dump or something on the dustpan. But this here just ain't working. I mean, it is working, but like I said, who wants to back up the whole time when you're sweeping? Nice. Then you just pick it up and dump out the dustpan. So like I said, I think it would work a little bit better as well if it wasn't so wet out. But yeah, so that's my opinion on that. Works good in reverse, but I wouldn't want to back up all the time. I like our broom better. I'll get a shot of that at the end and show you the one we have. It works a lot better, I think. But yeah, this might be good if you had two skid steers. This one here for certain spots, and then the other one we have for other spots. But I wouldn't want to plow or sweep with this thing all the time. Not to mention where it's so wet, friggin' mud gets stuck in there. Well, we got the sweeping all done after figuring out you gotta back up to get the thing to work right, but this is our sweeper. Pushes it all forward and you can angle it back or side to side, which makes it a lot faster. You just windrow it whatever way you want. This design here, if you ask me, is a lot better. Again, that one there might be better in certain areas, but not in my opinion.